Hello students, welcome in new session of MS Office Excel 2010. So, all the arithmetic operations with numerical data such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done by using Office Excel. After that, why Microsoft Excel is helpful? It used to help us to store, organize, use and modify data. It helps us to perform calculation. It also helps us to modify a worksheet. It helps us to create charts and graphs. It also helps us to enter and edit data in a worksheet. Now, the very important part of MS Office Excel is a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet package is a general purpose computer package that is designed to perform calculation. A spreadsheet is a table which is divided into rows and columns. So the horizontal lines are rows and the vertical line is known as column. Now, a spreadsheet is also a special software program for handling and manipulating numbers. After that, how you can open Microsoft Excel. Click the Start button. All program option will come here and you will click on that. After that, one more thing. Why MS Office Excel is important and what is MS Office Excel? Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheet. Within Excel, user can organize data, create chart and perform calculations. Excel is a convenient program because it allows user to create large spreadsheet information and it allows for better storage of information. Excel also operates like other Microsoft Office programs and has many of the same functions and shortcuts of the other MS Office program. Now, after clicking all program, click Microsoft Office folder to open. Click Microsoft here and Microsoft Excel 2010 will be open. After that, you can see a blank Excel spreadsheet open. This is known as blank spreadsheet. Now, after that, double click Internet Explorer shortcut on the desktop. If you want to add something from Internet, you can open from Internet Explorer. After clicking on Internet Explorer, this search engine will come and you can click on any of the home page to add on. After that, this is Microsoft Excel 2007. You can see the window of Excel. This is toolbar. This is name box. This is cell 1. These are known as rows. This is spreadsheet navigation. These are spreadsheet 1, 2 and 3. Many more used to come here. This is status bar. From here you can review page. Zoom bars. Scroll bar is here. You can up or down the page. Columns are mentioned here. Formula will be mentioned here. Title of the spreadsheet or Excel will be shown here. The ribbon is here. After that, now if you want to add on a table, if you are doing a calculation of the turnover of any type of company, you can name that company here. After that, Control plus Home to make cell 1 active. You can use Control plus Home to active the cell 1. After that, you can create like this document like stem 1, stem 2, stem 3, January, February, March, total. You can do for whole months till here. You can use 12 months spreadsheet. If you want to make a yearly spreadsheet or annual spreadsheet, you can use the charts, okay, tables in this spreadsheet. Now, what are tab? There are ribbons. The three parts of the ribbons are here. So, the first is the tabs. There are 7 tabs across the top of the window Excel. After that, the groups. Groups are set of related commands displayed on the tab. After that, commands. A command is a button, a menu or a box where you enter information. Okay, we enter information there. After that, formatting text. If you want to change the color of the text, to change the text color, select the cell and the cell you want to format. For example, if I want to change the color of this cell 1, click left the drop down arrow next to the text color command. A color palette will appear. Select a color from the palette. After that, if you want to add or fill a color in this hole, okay, firstly you are changing the text. Now you can add on to the whole column. To add a fill color, select the cell or the cell you want to format. Click the fill command. A command palette will appear. Select a color from the palette. I hope you understood the MS Office Excel 2010 well. Thank you.